You ever wonder why anime transformations hit so damn hard? It's not just the flashy colors, the screaming, or the power boost. It's the moment the character says, enough. Enough running, enough hiding, enough holding back. You see, those transformations are earned. Every scar, every defeat, every loss they refuse to accept. They choose to break their limits. And you have that in you too. Your hidden potential isn't locked away behind magic or destiny. It's locked behind your excuses, behind every time you said I can't, behind your fear of failing, of looking stupid, of trying and falling short. But here's the truth no one wants to tell you. Growth is supposed to hurt. Strength is supposed to be earned. And no one is coming to save you. You want to transform? Then train like it. Study like your future depends on it. Work like you've got rivals to surpass. Suffer through the failures again and again until they fear you. Because that moment, the moment you break through, it's not just about power. It's proof. Proof that you're not the same person you used to be, that you chose to grow, that you refuse to stay weak. So go. Unlock your hidden potential. Not tomorrow, not someday, today. Make this your transformation arc. Become the version of yourself that no one thought you could be, the one you didn't even think you could become. Because in the end, you're not just watching an anime, you're living one, and it's time to go beyond.